Hey guys, it's me Amar and you are watching A2M Tech. Today on this video, I will show you how we can make a bootable USB drive with command prompt on Windows. So on my last video, I show you how we can download ISO image for Windows 10 from the official link. So on this video, I will show you how we can make a bootable USB drive with the ISO image file, and for that we will not be using any external software. We will just use a few commands on the command prompt. So for this we will need ISO image file. So I have Windows 10 32-bit ISO file on my disk, and I have already inserted one USB drive on my computer. So let's get started. First of all, we have to open command prompt, and for that I will use run with Windows and R, and just type CMD and enter. Now here you can see the command prompt, and type disk part and enter. Now click S and you can see the new disk part command window. So here we have to type list disk and press enter, and you can see all the list of disk that you have on your computer. So for me it's disk 2 which I'm going to make bootable. So this disk 2 is the USB drive that I have on my laptop. So I will now select disk 2, and for that I will type command select disk 2 and enter. So disk 2 is now selected disk. Now after selecting the disk we have to clean it, so type clean and enter. So once the disk is clean, now we have to create a partition. So for that type create partition primary and enter. So we have now created a primary partition on that disk. Now we have to select partition 1 and enter. So partition 1 is now selected. Now we will format this partition. So type format fs equals to, we'll format on FAT32. So type fs equal to FAT32 and quick format. It's a quick format, so just type quick, otherwise it will take a long to format the drive, so we have to use quick. So enter. Now we can see that this part successfully formatted the volume. So our final command will be to make the partition active. So we will just type active and enter. We have just make the pen drive bootable. So the next step here will be to copy all the files from this ISO image on the pen drive. So just mount this ISO image in Windows 10. We can just double click the file to mount it. So copy all the files from here and paste it on the USB drive. So once all these files from the ISO image are copied on the pen drive, you can just restart your computer and check if you can boot your computer with the pen drive. So this is how we make bootable USB drive for Windows 10, and we can do it by using commands on the command prompt. Thank you guys for watching.